How to fix Windows Update error 0x80245006. To fix update error 0x80245006 on your Windows 11 or Windows 10, try 1. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 2. Reset software distribution and Catro 2 folders by running the commands below, as admin, netstop wowserv netstop crypt svc netstop bits netstop server renc /windows /soft twa redistribution software distribution.old renc /windows system 32 /catro 2.old. Netstart wowserv netstart crypt svcc netstart bits netstart server. Now reboot your system. 3. Check the following system services status: Windows Update Service, manual, triggered; Windows Update Medic Services, manual; Cryptographic Services, automatic; Background Intelligent Transfer Service, manual; DCOM Server Process Launcher, automatic; RPC Endpoint Mapper, automatic; Windows Installer, manual. 4. Install the problematic or missing system update manually. Access the Microsoft Update Catalog.